To understand the extent of this new wave of COVID-19 transmission in the Bay Area, we have to talk about the numbers. This map with CDC data collected by our ABC7 News data team puts 7 Bay Area counties in the red, meaning there are high levels of community transmission. One of those counties is Marin.
We're definitely seeing a swell in cases in Marin. Or a surge, in fact. We're looking at our case counts. We're at about 70 on average per day. If you look back at the Delta surge, our peak, the Delta surge was about 50 cases per day on average.
The last time Marin County faced a surge like this one was in December. But now Dr. Matt Willis, Marin's public health officer, is not worried. He says hospitalizations are not going up.
When we had 50 cases per day of Delta, we had about 25 people in the hospital. Right now, we're looking at about 6 people in the hospital in Marin County.
What's interesting is that Marin County is the most vaccinated county in the state. So why are they in the red? Dr. Willis attributes this to the mask mandate being lifted, people gathering again, and something else.
The fact that we may have less natural immunity might put us at higher risk now for more infections. But less risk, significantly less risk for what we're most concerned about, which is severe illness and death.
San Francisco is seeing about 200 COVID cases per day. Dr. Chris Caldwell, chief of emergency medicine at Zuckerberg San Francisco General Hospital, believes that number is even higher.
We're getting it at some of the highest rates that we have seen in a long time, but a lot of people aren't even reporting it. So the numbers that we're seeing aren't the entire picture.
The city's Department of Public Health said in part, San Francisco is seeing a steady increase in case rates, likely due to the BA2 subvariant, which is even more transmissible than the BA1 Omicron. At this time, we do not expect more severe disease or hospitalizations for people who are up to date on their vaccinations. San Francisco reports 33 people are hospitalized right now with COVID. Dr. Caldwell said most people who are vaccinated and boosted and get COVID are recovering at home.
Day 3 and 4 are really generally the worst, where they describe as feeling cruddy. And then they start to get better by day 5, and by 7, they're really feeling almost like they're back to normal again, maybe a little more fatigue than usual.
Dr. Matt Willis said he's not planning to bring back the mask mandate, despite Marin County reporting 70 COVID cases per day, a number that is exceeding the Delta surge. He said the community is vaccinated and boosted, and every resident has to weigh their risks. In the newsroom, Luz Peña, ABC7 News.